All right, what do y'all want to do? You guys want to? Yeah. You guys want to hold hands and stretch?
Yeah, I got it.
Hell no. Let's stretch. Y'all want to sit down and stretch?
We want to have a knee and stretch.
All right. Well, you want to lead us in the stretch?
Yeah.
Let's line our helmets up nice right here then.
All right. Feet together. Down, touch your toes. Touch your toes. Touch your toes. If y'all got any questions, want to talk over any plays, any concepts, shoot them out. I can't wait to get outside.
You keep being so sweet with that damn mic.
Oh, you must know something, huh?
Montana has never beaten me in ping pong.
Hey,
isn't that crazy?
That is crazy, Cap. Go ahead. What you got to tell him, Twan?
What's going on, Mike? Let's have a great day today.
You know.
Go Cats.
Here we go. Come on, baby. Work on me. Work on 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Yep. Oh. Hey, that was a shot. Coach Loud, peanut punching. Oh. You feel amazing there. If you feeling like me, you feel amazing. No, you feel amazing, baby. This is my twin little brother right here. Go ahead, twin. Set the tone. Set the tone. Come on.
Nice job, Montana.
Yes, sir. I took care of you, Stoops. Hey, cause the boy, Stoops. Hey, do we look alike? Look at the camera. Smile on 3. 1.
Where we at?
The camera right there. Straight ahead, you see it? Smile on 3. 1, 2, 3. I hope we don't.
Can you see us?
Yeah, he can see us.